Laro kami ni order ko.
Ay, daddy. Asa naman pala eh. Oh. Asa. Oh, nandun sa likod. Matanda ka na siya. Pati ay natin mo, nalimutan mo na eh. Ano, dito, una yun na Pinas. Mag-aasawa na daw. Papasaka na daw sinikata ba na eh. Magpapulbog din natin natin.
Kasi dere yata yung mga Sige.
Iman kita kuya, kita dan kuya muna. Hindi ko, hindi ko kayo na.
Let us now welcome our Little Miss and Mr. SRK 2025 finalists, starting with candidate number 2, Galit Fernao Suba.
Hi everyone, my name is Galit Fernao Suba. I'm 4 years old, from basic level. I believe spreading kindness, warmth, and Filipino. I'm proud of one of them because helping other people create change in the world. Please continue spreading kindness. I thank you.
Candidate number 5, Kais Kula S. Santino. Everyone, my name is Paisa Cruz Arnelio. I'm 4 years old, from basic level, by blood, and I love nature. Nature is full of beautiful things like trees, flowers, and animals. I believe we should take care of nature because nature gives us clean air, clean water, and so many wonderful things. When we pick up trash, plant trees, and take care of the earth, we make a better place for everyone. Let's all love and protect nature so the earth will stay happy and healthy forever. Thank you.
Definitely. And so, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the question and answer portion. the most anticipated part of the competition, where we discover the true heroes behind the crowns.
And this afternoon, our candidates will face questions that go beyond the ordinary, questions that challenge their values, test their courage, and reveal their vision of heroism in today's world.
Because in this modern age, a hero isn't always someone. Candidate number 2, Galip Verdao Suba. And maybe ask Miss Jojo Maslot to give him his question. Good afternoon, Galip. Hi.
Tapos na tayo na
Good afternoon.
How are you today, Galip? Here. Are you stretchy? Hi. Hi. Are you ready for your question? Yes, cool. Okay. My question is, who is your favorite hero and why?
Thank you for the wonderful question. I believe all of us, we are superheroes. We are not born with superpowers. The name is the big heart. No matter how big or small, protect other people, help other people, make us a superhero. Because every act of kindness counts. So let's be brave, we can, and we are superheroes in our own way. And I thank you.
If you will be the superhero, you need to have a heart.
Yes, superhero with a heart. Thank you so much once again. Candidate number 2, Galip Verdao Suba. Congratulations.
Next, let's have candidate number 5, Kylie Sakura S. Sardinio. And the question to be asked by Miss Vanessa Endu.
Hi, Kylie.
Hi.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Here is your question. Who is your favorite hero and why?
My favorite hero is a teacher because they build the future by guiding the kids to learn and grow. They give their time, their love, and their knowledge every day, even when after their mission. They are our second parents, shaping us with care and wisdom. Salute to all the teachers who make a difference every single day. Thank you for being my hero.
Yeah, perfect. How about you, teacher? 10 out of 10. Perfect. Perfect, man.
Okay, so once again, that is our candidate number 5, Kylie Sakura S. Sardinio.
Congratulations. Up next. Little Miss SRK Alain Antoinette Mesguera and Little Mr. SRK Alain Andrew Manilo. Little Miss and Mr. SRK 2025 first runner-up. Our Little Mr. SRK first runner-up is none other than Galip Verdao
Grabe, support Miss Kate na ating first runner-up.
Yes, don't you forget to check out the next award, our Little Miss Philippines SRK International 2025 after this.
And let's give your support to our Little Miss SK 2025 first runner-up. Congratulations to Kylie Sakura S. Sardinio. always declare that the Gaymen, they are the heroes in the making.
Definitely. And with their young minds, they can truly make amazing things that will really help our community in the future. You want Miss Universe of Sagot? Okay.
I think Miss Gay got a Chinese for us again. Goodbye.
Okay. Please come on stage, John Richard and Mount Francis, to give the awards to our Little Miss and Mr. SRK International right after this picture taking with our first runner-up. And of course, we would like to call